Friends, this is Kaushal Kishor. Welcome to SpeakNowEnglish.com. This is one of the unique and practical method to become a speaker of English. This would provide you one of the best opportunity to become a speaker of English. Now, being as a trainer, I have been developed this program, which is on the base of workshop. For the last 20 years, I have been taught for the spoken English trainee to become a native speaker of English. And this is really one of the helpful, unique, creative, and practical learning method to become a native speaker of English.
Future tense, Bhavishya What is future tense? In this part, we study about work will finish in future time is called future tense. इस भाग में हम लोग पढ़ते हैं कि काम भविष्य काल में कंटिन्यूस रूप से समाप्त हो रहा होगा. There are 4 parts of future tense. 4 प्रकार के भविष्य काल होते हैं. Future simple or indefinite tense, सामान्य भविष्य काल. Future continuous or imperfect tense, अपूर्ण भविष्य काल. Future perfect tense, पूर्ण भविष्य काल. Future perfect continuous tense, पूर्ण अपूर्ण भविष्य काल. Example, I shall go to the market, मैं बाजार जाऊंगा. I shall be going to the market, मैं बाजार जा रहा हूंगा. I shall have gone to the market, मैं बाजार जा चुका हूंगा. I shall have been going to market for 2 hours, मैं बाजार 2 घंटे से जा रहा हूंगा.